Hello everyone. In this lesson we are understanding what is controller and how to work with the controllers in MVC. So the controller is a class that defines execution flow of the MVC. The controller receives the request from the browser, then call the model, then call the view, and also send the view result as response to browser. So the controller will control the overall execution flow of the entire application. So coming to the rules of the controller development, controller should be inherited from the predefined parent class called system.web.mvc.controller class. So here system.web.mvc is a namespace. Controller is the name of the class. The controller is a parent class which defines the common properties and common methods that are required by all the controllers of your application. If you don't inherit from this parent class, your class will not be treated as a controller class. And your controller class name should be having a suffix called controller. For example, your actual expected name of the controller is home, but we have to mention the class name as a controller. Home controller. Controller methods are called action methods. An action method represents a specific operation performed on the data. For example, searching the data or inserting the data, etc. This is the look and feel of the controller class. So optionally it could be public class. If it is public class, it is accessible from other application, other project in the same solution. And after your class name, you have to mention the suffix called controller, and it should be child of the system.web.mvc.controller class. And it can have any number of methods. All those methods are called action methods. An action method will execute only when we send request to the application. For one request, only one action method will execute. For example, we have sent request to search, so the search action method will execute. We have sent request to insert, only insert action method will execute. So we have understood the controllers, and we will meet in the next lesson.